Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2024 model Volkswagen Polo match that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the deep black pearl paintwork alongside housing your 1.0 TSI engine and efficient auto transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. It does house plenty of top features, including enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights, 16-inch alloy wheels, and for further protection, your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space to house your daily essentials, followed in the rear by a comfortable cloth upholstery with your fitted ISOFIX points. You do also have access to your central power outlets, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience. You do also have your central touch display and again your full cloth trim, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel and options to navigate around your digital cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, various audio and the added bonus of your adaptive cruise and travel assist to reduce any collisions. Moving across, you do have access to a wide variety of radio stations and app connect to keep yourselves entertained, especially on those longer trips. And of course, you do have the activation of your parking sensors and reversing camera, guiding you into those awkward maneuvers. This is followed by your main climate controls, wireless charging pad and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.